In this lesson, you are going to become a master of negation in Spanish. Negative tense in Spanish is so easy. We are going to explain it with the verb to be, or in Spanish, the verb
ser,
and.
estar.
If you haven't watched those videos before, I highly recommend you to check it before this one. You will find the links in the description. The easiest way to create a negative sentence is using no, or in Spanish,
No.
The only thing we have to do is add no before the verb. For example, I am not a teacher.
Yo no soy un profesor.
Are not married.
Ellos no están casados.
We are not in the hotel.
Nosotros no estamos en el hotel.
She is not ugly.
Ella no es fea.
As you see in Spanish is easier the negative form than in English. It does not change because the personal pronouns and there is not contractions. You only have to add no before the verb. But we want you to become a master of the negative form. So let's speak about other topics related to the negative. We have some indefinite pronouns. Nobody,
Nadie.
none,
Ninguno.
nothing.
Nada.
We have to use the indefinite pronoun before the verb and say it instead of no. Nobody is teacher.
Nadie es profesor.
None is new.
Ninguno es nuevo.
Nothing is used.
Nada está usado.
And we also have negative adverbs. Never,
Nunca.
either.
Tampoco.
We have two options to use this negative adverb. The first one is to replace the no for one of the adverbs. I am never pissed off.
Yo nunca estoy enfadado.
I am not at home either.
Yo tampoco estoy en casa.
Or make a double negation.
Yo no estoy enfadado nunca. Yo no estoy en casa tampoco.
If you want to learn Spanish, follow the link in the description, and you will find our complete course with more than 600 lessons, 300 exercises, more than 60 hours content, and a community where you can ask questions and our teachers will answer you, and meet people learning Spanish to practice. Only $249 lifetime. If you want to continue learning for free, just click here and you will find the next free lesson.